Maximizing Customer Relationships with CRM Software, a complete guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about customer relationship management software and its uses. CRM software is a powerful tool that helps businesses manage their relationships with their customers. It provides a central location where businesses can store customer information, track interactions, and analyze customer behavior to make better decisions. Some of the key uses of CRM software include sales management. CRM software helps sales teams manage their leads, track the sales pipeline, and close more deals. Next is marketing automation. This software enables businesses to create targeted marketing campaigns and automate certain marketing tasks such as email marketing. Then, customer service. CRM software provides customer service teams with the tools they need to manage customer inquiries, complaints, and support tickets. Lastly, analytics and reporting. This software provides businesses with valuable insights into customer behavior and trends, which can inform business strategy and decision-making. So there you have it. That's a brief overview of customer relationship management CRM software and its uses. If you're looking to improve your business's customer relationships and grow your revenue, consider investing in a CRM solution. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.